Recovering lost muscle requires a combination of proper nutrition, targeted exercise, and lifestyle changes to stimulate muscle growth, hypertrophy, and repair. Here's a detailed guide to help you regain lost muscle. 1. Strength training, resistance exercise, why it's essential. Resistance training is the most effective way to stimulate muscle growth by challenging the muscle fibers to repair and grow stronger. How to do it? Focus on progressive overload. Gradually increase the weight, resistance, or intensity over time. Incorporate compound movements like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups, which target multiple muscle groups. Include isolation exercises like bicep curls or leg extensions to target specific muscles. Train 3 to 5 times a week, allowing 48 hours of recovery for each muscle group. 2. Nutrition. Fuel your muscle growth. Protein intake. Protein is the building block of muscle. Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Include lean sources like chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, beans, lentils, and protein supplements if necessary. Carbohydrates. Carbs are crucial for energy and muscle recovery. Include whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and starchy foods like potatoes. Healthy fats. Include omega-3 rich foods, e.g. fatty fish, flax seeds, to reduce inflammation and support recovery. Caloric surplus. To rebuild lost muscle, consume more calories than you burn daily, focusing on nutrient-dense foods. Use a calorie calculator to estimate your total daily energy expenditure and aim for a surplus of 250 to 500 calories. 3. Rest and recovery. Sleep. Sleep is when most muscle repair and growth occur. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night. Rest days. Allow muscles time to recover by incorporating active rest days, e.g. light yoga or walking, and full rest days into your routine. Stress management. Chronic stress can hinder muscle recovery. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing. Consistency and patience. Muscle recovery and growth take time, especially if you've lost a significant amount of muscle. Stay consistent with your training, nutrition, and recovery plan. Start with realistic goals, aiming for 0.5 to 2 pounds of muscle gain per month. 5. Supplements, optional but helpful. Protein powder, convenient for meeting daily protein needs. Creatine monohydrate, enhances muscle strength, endurance, and recovery. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, may support muscle repair during intense workouts. Vitamin D and omega-3s promote muscle health and reduce inflammation. 6. Address underlying causes of muscle loss. If muscle loss was caused by illness, aging, or inactivity, address the root cause, illness or injury. Work with a healthcare provider or physical therapist to regain strength safely. Aging, sarcopenia. Focus on strength training and high-protein diets. Prolonged inactivity. Start slowly and progressively increase intensity. By combining resistance training, proper nutrition, adequate rest, and addressing the root cause of muscle loss, you can effectively rebuild and maintain your muscle mass.